Hey, it's Design Guy here. Want to create awesome t-shirt designs? I'll walk you through every Canva step. Click Create, then type T-shirt in the search bar. Browse the available t-shirt logo templates. Choose a design that fits your style. Click the template to open and customize it. You can adjust colors, text, and images to match your brand. Once finished, click Download to save your personalized t-shirt logo. Select a template to start. Click to open it, then customize by editing text, images, and other elements to fit your needs. Save your work when finished. Search for the ring border sample to find the specific design you want to use in your project quickly. Mix all ingredients together thoroughly. Then, add the next item to the mixture, ensuring an even blend for the best consistent result. You can also change the color by selecting the palette and choosing your preferred shade. After finishing your work, click the Share button. Next, choose Download to save your file or select settings to adjust options before downloading. This ensures your content is shared or saved as desired. Choose CMYK color mode for accurate professional printing results. This ensures your colors match print standards and avoid unexpected shifts when producing physical materials. You just learned how to design awesome t-shirts in Canva. Drop a like and subscribe for more creative tips.